I've always been more of a dog person than a cat person. But there's this one pussycat that I really fell for. I didn't know her name, so I called her Pussy. She was out in the rain. I'm thankful for Pussy. It was warm and it was wet. I couldn't forget how it made me feel. I treated her right and she kept coming around. But every once in a while, I put her out in the rain. I know it sounds rough, I just couldn't get enough. It was such a thrill, I had to get my fill of how it made me feel. I'm thankful for Pussy. It was warm and it was wet, I couldn't forget how it made me feel. I'm in love with Pussy.